So hello everybody, today we are going to see this section 7.4, which is called data modeling. Let us see what is written here. Data modeling, it is a technique for organizing and documenting a system's data. Data modeling is sometimes called database modeling because a data model is eventually implemented as database. It is also sometimes called information modeling. The tool for data modeling is Entity Relationship Diagram. 7.4.1 ER diagram. It depicts data in terms of entities and relationships described by the data. Martin gives the following notations for the components of ERD. Entities. An entity is something about which the business needs to store data. An entity is a class of persons, places, objects, events, or concepts about which we need to capture and store data. An entity an entity instance is a single occurrence of an entity. The notation is given below. Student is the name of entity. Number 2 comes attribute. An attribute is a descriptive property or characteristic of an entity. Synonyms include element, property, and field. A compound attribute is one that actually consists of other attributes. It is also known as a composite attribute. An attribute an attribute address is the example of compound attribute as shown in the following illustration. Relationships. A relationship is a natural business association that exists between one or more entities. The relationship may represent an event that links the entities. The following are some important terms related to ER diagrams. Cardinality defines the minimum and maximum number of occurrences of one entity that may be related to a single occurrence of the other entity. Because all relationships are bidirectional, cardinality must be defined in both directions for every relationship. Figure 7.4 depicts various types of cardinality. But where is figure 7.4? Oh, here is figure 7.4. We will see it first. Let's complete. Degree. The degree of a relationship is the number of entities that participate in the relationship. The recursive relationship, a relationship that exists between different instances of the same entity, is called recursive relationship. Figure 7.3 depicts a recursive relationship between the instances of the course entity. Let's see. So here you can see figure 7.3 example of recursive relationship, and here you can see figure 7.4 different types of cardinality. Okay, so you can see here, then we will, so here we come to the end of check your progress 2, and it was a little short um, unit. So here let's see, cardinality interpretation is exactly one and only one. Minimum instances, maximum instances, graphic notation. And so here you can see, okay, and 0 or 1, 0 to 1, and 1 or more, 1, many, greater than 1, 0 1 or more, 0 many, greater than 1, more than 1, greater than 1. So here you can see the diagrams. So here we come to the end of check your progress 2, and answer will be available in description soon. Okay, so you can check from there, and from here how much is left. Check your progress 3, and we have yes, data dictionary also, then comes the summary. In the next lecture or session we will complete the whole unit. Okay, so thank you, until then keep exploring.